Hi listeners. Welcome back to Percakapan channel. Learning English and Bahasa Indonesia. Today you're going to listen to a short story. First part, you listen to a short story, then answer the questions based on the story you've heard. Last part, you retell the story again in your own words. Let's start listening now. Work and careers. Sometimes we say that someone we know is a square peg in a round hole. This simply means that the person we are talking about is not suited for the job he is doing. He may be a bookkeeper who really wants to be an actor or a mechanic who likes cooking. Unfortunately, many people in the world are square pegs. They are not doing the kind of work they should be doing, for one reason or another. As a result, they probably are not doing a very good job and certainly they are not happy. Choosing the right career is very important. Most of us spend a great part of our lives at our jobs. For that reason, we should try to find out what our talents are and how we can use them. We can do this through aptitude tests, interviews with specialists, and study of books in our field of interest. There are many careers open to each of us. Perhaps we like science. Then we might prepare ourselves to be chemists, physicists, or biologists. Maybe our interests take us into the business world and such work as accounting, personnel management or public relations. Many persons find their place in government service, teaching, newspaper work, medicine, engineering. These and many other fields offer fascinating careers to persons with talent and training. Questions. 1. Why is it important to find the right career? 2. Name 3 ways that we can find the right career. 3. What are some of the careers found in the scientific world? 4. What do we mean by square peg in a round hole? 5. Do you know anyone who is not happy in his work? Is he a square peg in a round hole?
Now, please retell the story again in your own words.
That's the end of the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, give comment and share this link to others. See ya.